My mother cook food. My mother cook food.
So your mother manages each and everything because your mother is from village. So she has education manner.
But he live
She
in city
lives
na.
because she has come from village and she has.
For career in city, for education city, for health city, for nation pay city. Are what will you do? Only you do. Jingalala who? Only you do. Hinga jingalala who?
20 hours you are going to be in darkness. How are you surviving?
Electricity available all the time in my village. How
That's
can you
wrong.
say-
Absolutely
How
wrong.
can you
Are
say
absolutely wrong.
Why are you coming?
But
Why are you coming?
I'm also villager. I'm also villager.
Don't use copy and pen now. The time has come for speaking, for debating, right, guys? But before that, just I would like to tell you some of the things so that you can follow in your debate. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I know that it is your guys' first debate, right? Some of the people have debated once and twice, but there are many more people they are going to debate first time, like Pooja, Priya, Neeraj. There are many people. Shreya has debated once. Huh? Okay, no problem. By the way, guys. So here, guys, you have to ignite people. How can you ignite? Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, your starting must be quite different. Since our childhood, we have been speaking that, good morning, everyone. Good morning, my dear friend. No, why to speak this word? Why to speak this sentence? You must say that, good morning, all my panelists. Otherwise, you can say, good morning to one and all present here. अब वही गुड मॉर्निंग माय फ्रेंड, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, लोगों को लगेगा ये आगे चाक पत्ती है, धनिक पत्ती, धनिक पत्ती, चाक पत्ती इन द सेंस लाइक एज अ कॉमन. सो यू डू नॉट हैव टू बी कॉमन इफ यू आर लर्निंग, इफ यू आर इम्प्रूविंग. सो डू ऑफ बीट something you have to speak differently and quite offbeat. So if you have any shari, like you can start with your shari and with your quotation as well, okay? Then you have to just proceed with your talk. And in debate, you do not have to put and you do not have to share very lengthy opinion. Otherwise, people will forget what to ask now. You have to share your solid and genuine point, only 1 and 2 points. These 1 and 2 points are enough. Then come for the debate, for questioning, for countering. Okay, guys? Like, alright, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we the people are sitting here and we are going to do debate. We have a very crucial topic like village versus city. So I am in the favor of, I am going to talk about village. But before proceeding my talk, I would like to say one shayari, sir. May I say in Hindi, sir? Of course. You have to take the permission because it is English debate. So for speaking Hindi quotation, Hindi shayari, you can take the permission as well. So sir, yes, I would like to say one shayari in Hindi. Can I, sir? Yes, of course. So, न शोर शराबा, न कोई दिखावा, न कोई बनावट. Excuse me. न शोर शराबा, न कोई दिखावा, न कोई बनावट. अरे हमारे गांव की हवा में है सुकून की मिलावट. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to indicate you, I would like to say that just in village we can get peaceful atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you go, you will be getting greenery. You will be getting peaceful atmosphere. You can take the breezy. You can take just natural air and fresh air. And on the other hand, if you are going to talk about the city, oh my goodness, in city, each and every street just like traffic and traffic. There are much and more crowd in your city, but nobody yours. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. So on this line, I would like to say one more shari, sir. Can I, sir? Yes, of course. So ये बड़ी इमारतों में कैद सा हो गया है इंसान. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me carefully. ये बड़ी इमारतों में कैद सा हो गया है इंसान. भीड़ तो बहुत है जनाब आपके शहर में, लेकिन फिर भी तन्हा सा हो गया है इंसान. Hello, excuse me. हर कोई तन्हा सा हो गया है इंसान यहाँ पे. I am trying to say that, for example, if a person is going to face any kind of problem, nobody is going to stand by you. Nobody is going to just help you. Nobody is going to come to you. Nobody is going to just ask you how are you and who are you, what is your problem. So this is the situation and condition of city. That's why I would like to talk about village. I am going to talk about in the favor of city, because in city each and every facility, almost people here, guys, we can see that almost people have come from the village to take the education in city. Why? We can understand that we are not getting each and every facility in village. Yes, sir. for educating, for education, for medication, for getting the job, for anything, for doing business, for becoming great personality, we have to come to the city. Otherwise, you will become just like Chavanni Lal in your gaon, in your village. I am not defaming, I am not just disrespecting here, but it is happening. We the city people, we are trying to develop our GDP, our nation. Before ending, you can say that, sir, I don't agree with you. I don't want to listen, I don't want to tolerate. Sir, excuse me, please give me mic. Yes, of course. Sir, what are you talking about? Are you talking about this point? I don't agree. I respect your opinion. I just, appreciate your statement and opinion. But the thing just you are saying, it is absolutely not. It is completely wrong. You are manipulating and you are spreading the rumors here. तुरंत आपको ब्लेम करना पड़ेगा. Then after blaming, you also have to prove. You have to become crazy. You do not have to become a lazy. Hello, excuse me. You have to become crazy for speaking, but not lazy and lethargic here. Alright, can you tell me who is going to initiate the talk here? Monica is initiator, and who is initiator of this team? Miss Rashiriya. Okay, so this mic goes to Miss Monica. Miss Monica, please proceed with your talk.
Good afternoon, all my panelists.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for having me this wonderful opportunity to speak. I would like to have my deepest gratitude to Mr. Mas sir. Today I am here to speak about city versus village life.
Yes.
So I am supporting city life because there are many job opportunities in city life, and city life gives good infrastructure and good hospitals. That's why
Inculcate the words, guys.
That's why I'm supporting city life.
That's it. Alright, guys, she has talked about multiple points like job opportunities. These are many things. I hope you have understood. I am not going to elaborate and describe her point, but you have to inculcate. Do you know, guys, what is the meaning of inculcate? Excuse me, Pooja. Inculcate means mark the words. Do you know what is the mark the words? Yes. Like you have to pin the points. You have to pin her point in your mind so that you can ask a question. That is called inculcate. Inculcate means man mein baithana, dimag mein baithana. So you have to dimag mein baithana her point so that you can ask question after a while. Alright, so now this mic goes to Miss Rashiriya. Excuse me, after her opinion, all the people are going to ask the question to Miss Monica. After that, we the people are going to ask question to her. Please, go ahead.
Good afternoon, my all panelists. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today we are sitting here to talk about village versus city, which one is better. We are supporting village. Sir, I can say sorry.
Of course you can say.
गांव में जो छोड़ आए हजारों गज की हवेली, वो लोग शहर की 2 कमरों को घर की तरक्की समझ बैठे हैं।
Oh my goodness, that's fantastic.
In village, you can find peace, but in city you cannot find peace.
That's it. Oh my goodness. So guys, do you have any question to ask her here? She was talking about the job opportunities in city. So is there anyone who would like to? Please pass the mic.
Only you think about buffalo cow milk. But you think
Without
only
buffalo, how can you get milk?
I will pay money and get milk.
Sorry?
But you think I will pay. Hello. Arey, listen to me, ma'am. Listen to me. I will pay extra money and I get
buffalo, only
But-
adulterated milk.
But you
Not
villager,
pure milk.
But you villager only think about buffalo, about guy, about
yes.
cow dunks.
If urban life is superior,
Yes.
why do citizens on depend villagers for food, for milk and raw material? Why? Why depends on
okay.
villagers?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
We are also from villagers. Villagers.
Village.
Huh.
Where are you from?
Village.
I agree. You have pure milk, but only pure milk, only greenery cannot give job, cannot give healthy life, cannot give education.
Healthy life
if I am going to take pure milk, it will not provide me healthy life.
Why? You can see in hospital lots of villager sit
They
only.
are from city. You okay? Okay.
Without hospital, you die.
Or
Yes, of course you die.
pass the mic to Miss Sonam.
Ma'am, I don't need hospital because we are healthy. We are healthy. I don't need hospital.
Without hospital, you can die,
I
sir.
don't need hospital. Villagers are healthy.
Pure milk not available in village.
Why are you saying, ma'am?
Listen. Pure milk also available in village. Only available in village, not in city. Also available pure milk.
Let me give you a disclaimer first of all. Hello, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Here you are, guys, just selling the vegetables. The person is going to hold this mic. That person only can speak. You can only clap and you can ignite. Yes, no. Other point you cannot speak. You can only listen and clap. And the person, one person will be holding mic from this team, and one person will be holding mic from this team. So they both can fight only, so that we can understand and listen clearly and carefully. And we can just have clarification in our talk. Otherwise there will not be any kind of the clarification. Understood, guys?
Yes, understood.
So now, guys, you can pass that mic to Miss Shreya. These many people are going to ask the question to Miss Shreya. Shreya was saying that we are getting peaceful atmosphere.
Peace without progress is silence, not success. Even villager,
Excuse me, where is mic?
even villager come to city when they want growth.
Of course.
Sir, we have
In
internet,
city-
we have mobile phone, we get online coaching.
अरे भैया, who create mobile phone? Villager?
No.
Yes, of course cities.
Sir, villagers.
For career in city, for education city, for health city, for nation pay city. अरे what will you do? Only you do. Jhingalala who? Only you do. Jhingalala who?
Good morning, my panelists. I am here sitting with village. I would like to share shairi. शायरी शहरों की चमक में इतना मत जाओ, देश की असली धड़कन आज भी गांव में है. Village people do farming. If we do not do farming, what will you eat? What will you eat?
If you do farming, then we all pay the nation.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
In village, job option is limited, but town job option is
Unlimited.
unlimited.
Of course, yes. 100%
Village in
true.
job option farming or poultry farms, dairy products.
Of course.
But towns is hub of industry.
Of course, yes.
And,
Fantastic.
And every villagers comes to
City.
cities
For growth.
for growth, for more money, and developed himself. Girls and boys criticism, then upper caste and lower caste criticism. In village, I can feel it.
Yes, of course, guys. Discrimination.
But town people's connected to each other like brotherhoods and equalities.
Where is brotherhood? In your city?
Yes.
Let me tell you, I have seen multiple people are sleeping without eating food on the footpath. Nobody is going to ask.
But sir,
And in village, if a person is going to sleep without food, without eating food, all villagers are going to stand by you. Bhaiya, khanwa kha lo fir sona.
but
It is like that.
but sir, because of discrimination, very crime.
Crime, who does the crime? The person is uneducated and illiterate. Educated person, they are not going to just create the atmosphere of fighting and riots. Understood, sir?
No, sir, but
If I talk about teacher, Master already belong to village. He teaching our citizen standing here. Cities.
If master, yes, I agree. Master is villager. I agree. Master is villager.
So-
why master open a well talk at institute in Lucknow in city?
Because our cities rich and poor people compare
Arre,
themselves.
because
That's
you are-
why
Arre, because you are-
master knows.
Where are you from? Chirela. Yes, village. Why are you come here? Why are you come here?
Because
Why are you come
my
here?
villagers here. Because my villagers here. Because my villagers here. That's why I'm come here. Because my villagers here. That's why
Because
I'm come here.
present time
Why
he
are you coming
but
here? Why are you coming here?
but present I'm also villager. I'm also villager.
Oh, yeah.
But I come. Hello. But
you
are hello. अरे सुन
You are
तो ली-
गद्दार in
अरे
villager.
मैम सुन तो
You are
लीजिए.
Gandhar, sir.
अरे I'm also villager. I'm not getting the best education. I'm not getting the best health care. I'm not getting the best infrastructure in village. That's why I'm living in city.
Sir, you know.
He is saying that I am also villager, but I have come here to take education in city.
Yes.
That's why he is supporting. In his village, he was not getting good, just atmosphere and education. He has come in city so that he can educate, and
Yes.
in future he will be shifting and he will be getting married in city and he will be living with his family.
Yes.
He was trying to say that because he doesn't want to see in the problem of their children. If their children will be in village, they will be also facing same problem, the problem he is facing right
Yes, sir.
now, like for getting the education. Their village,
All village, भैया.
Okay, all right. Now I would like to have another opinion, guys.
During COVID-19, we saw thousands of people leaving big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Lucknow to run back to their home because village was the only safe place. Why are you coming in village?
Why all the people are coming to village from the city at the time of the pandemic and
Yes,
COVID-19?
yes.
Actually, they were villager. They have come and they came from the village to earn money for making money. At the time of the COVID-19, at the time of the pandemic, all the business and all the things were closed. That's why they were going back. Yes. Actually, they were not from the city. They were villager. That's why they were going back. Yes. Moy.
Not more, sir.
Yes.
Wait, listen.
Yes.
They have need village environment. That's why city people come in the village.
Of course, yes. Guys, excuse me. Get up, everyone. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone has to have garma garam talk here now. Garma garam talk. That's why now you are standing. Before a while we were just sitting. People were started sleeping. That's why I want you to stand and just have firing debate, not debate and argument, guys. Understood, guys? So I would like to go to here. Mr. Ishan was just indicating me. Please, sir, give me. So that's why I have given him. Yes, sir. What?
Good
do you want
morning,
to say?
sir.
Good
morning, my
afternoon.
panelist. City people depends on technology and machines.
Of course, yes.
If they fail, then what you will do?
Fantastic, guys. Yes.
And I have one more thing.
Huh.
In city, people have stressful life and loneliness.
100%, guys.
And they,
of course.
And villagers are hardworking people. That's why they are not getting any diabetes, any BP problem. And city people are going for gymming, for losing fat loss and doing.
Still, they are lazy and lethargic.
Yes.
And yes, Mr. Abdullah, what do you want to say? Yes.
My brother Mr. Isan say about technology.
Technology.
If technology, what do you do?
All the world depend on technology.
If technology fail, what do you do?
All the world. If they some time before some time they also said I want to become a businessman because I want to go Saudi whatever.
Other country, yes.
How you can say Saudi Dubai by flight?
If technology failed, what will you do? Think you are using mixie for grinding the masala. yes. If the light goes cut off, then what will you do?
Light cut off in village. After before some time in my village only 8 hours electricity come.
4 hours.
Yes, 4 hours. It's your problem, dear villagers, not our problem. We are cities.
They have facilities. That's why they
Yes.
are just, using.
We have inverter, we have generator,
But in
solar. What you will do? Nothing.
They are going to just sit on the buffalo.
Yes.
no, sir.
Yes. You think about yourself.
Oh, I said, what do you want to say? Excuse me.
I want to say, if
Yeah, excuse me, you are stuck. He's
Nothing.
saying that you have only 4 hours electricity and 20 hours you are going to be in darkness. How are you surviving?
Electricity available all the time in my village. How
That's
can you
wrong.
say-
Absolutely
How
wrong.
can you
Arre,
say that?
absolutely wrong.
Electricity available all the time
In my village, in her village, in her village.
In my village, I'm talking about.
That's
my
why I'm
village.
come here. That's why I'm come here in city. I'm not getting the electricity in my village. That's why I'm come here.
Sir, in village is not good internet connectivity.
No, sir, in village 5G internet.
Not every village. Not every village.
No, 5G.
I go in my village, I have to face the problem of network.
No, sir.
Yes, it
Yes,
happens.
yes.
No, sir. Sir, in
Yes, Miss
internet-
Sonam.
Sir, most international citizens come in city side.
Of course, yes.
Not village side. Why?
How many tourists go village? How many tourists?
Facilities in city side, not village side. Okay?
Every tourist come city to see the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and lots of things. What do you have?
Because he don't survive in village.
If any relatives come in our village, people are going to just serve and going to do good hospitality. And in city, people are asking, sir, would you like to have?
I totally disagree. My mother cook food. My mother cook food.
So your mother manages each and everything because your mother is from village. So she has educated and manner.
But he live in
She
city,
lives
na?
Because she has come from village and she has that much etiquette and manner how to just survive and how to give the respect and etiquettes.
This all thing depend on your mentality.
Mentality, this kind of the mentality only villagers have. You do not
No.
have, guys. Of course, yes. Yes.
No, sir.
I live in city and I am respected.
I respect.
My relatives, my colleagues, my friends.
You only respect. But we the people were talking about the hospitality. Hospitality can be just, done in the village beautifully. Yes.
Because cities person are very busy
Oh,
for jobs and
in
for
your,
careers.
In your
and
business and in busyness, you are forgetting your ritual and custom.
And villagers are free men.
Ma'am,
They have no work.
for example, you are working, you are making money, you are doing business, you are doing each and everything. But if you are unable to give the time to your relatives and your brothers and sisters, your mother, shame on you and shame on your education, shame on your money, shame on your business. If you are not paying and giving the time to your mother and your relatives, shame on you.
We are give the time. We are
She
give the
has said
time.
that. Talk to her.
We are
She
give the
has
time.
said
Our
that.
family. We are
She
give the
has
time. Our
said
friend.
that. Now she is manipulating. She is changing her point. Before a while she said that villagers are quite free. That's why they are giving the respect and time and hospitality.
But it is true. Villagers are very free man.
See,
They do not have any work.
okay. At least we are free, but we are living peacefully.
They are only smoking beedi.
But city people going on club, enjoying.
We enjoy, but you can
Boys and
only
girls.
getting is
Not
beedi.
enjoy,
You
only drinking, only
Yes.
drinking. You are going club.
Only drinking, only drinking, only drinking, only smoking.
If you
You know.
if you sir, if you go any village after 6 o'clock, every villager drunkard. Every villager drunk.
If you going city, you are going and see.
Yes, of course, I agree.
Boys and girls
Hello.
and 18, 19, 20 age, you are smoking bigli
Yes.
and bilok.
Yes. City people drink alcohol, but in limit. But villager,
not
but
limit.
hello. City people drink, but in limit. But villager drink
I
paua,
can see.
tharra.
In village, we respect our parents. In city, people send their parents to old age home.
Oh my goodness.
Old age home.
That's called moral education.
Oh, they are liking in getting moral education.
Yes.
They are sending their parents in old age house. Shame on you guys.
In old age home, there are lots of people who care.
Arre, shame on you, man.
Care. but you villager, but hello, but you villager, get out from the take out. You villager, take out from
Kick out.
Kick out. Kick out. Yes, of course. I also see in my eyes.
That is not correct, sir. That is not correct.
How you can say you in village? I see by my eyes. In village, some people kick out their parents. He died.
Anyone this type of thing? Listen. Anyone this type of thing
Yes.
in village, sir? बताइए sir.
But-
Anyone
but
this type of
city-
thing in village?
It doesn't happen in village.
Of course yes, sir. Of course yes.
And doesn't happen.
Kick out, sir.
In city, only in city, only in city, only in city.
Sir, in village, no opportunities for girl.
Of course, yes.
Many people go in a city for traveling, but wise people come in the village because they can feel environment and fresh air and everything.
By the way, so I think almost people have spoken now, right? Everyone should speak. If you have knowledge about thing, so you should speak with your broken English. You do not have to be worried कि मेरा टेंस पूरा नहीं है, मुझे सेंटेंस नहीं आता, पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे बोलूँ? अरे भैया सब बोलोगे धीरे धीरे. But try to speak broken English. Like village not good. I see, buffalo pond in bath. समझ गया आप लोगों ने क्या कहा? कौन सा टेंस यूज किया? कोई टेंस नहीं, बट उल्टा पलटा भटक दिया. आई सी नो कम सिटी, सी नो पीपल मच क्राउड. तो कहने का तात्पर्य है कुछ भी बोलो, अपनी भड़ास को रखो, कन्वे करने की कोशिश करो. अब कोई पॉइंट रख रहा है, नो ब्रदर नॉट एक्सेप्ट यू रॉन्ग. देखो यू आर रॉन्ग कहने की वजह क्या करो, यू रॉन्ग. गलत तो है खैर, लेकिन वो तो समझेगा. सो ट्राई टू कन्वे योर मैसेज लाइक दिस. और आप लोग इतना भी कमजोर नहीं कि आपको ग्रामर नहीं पता है. So by the way, so it was all about today's session. So see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.